In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit products on your Google business profile, which is a simple yet effective way to keep your business information up to date and ensure your customers have the most accurate details. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type the name of your business or simply My Business, then press enter. Doing this will take you to a page where you can locate your specific business. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on View Profile to access your business dashboard. At the dashboard, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Edit Products option, which is where all the magic happens. Clicking this will open up a pop-up screen displaying the list of products you've already added. This view is helpful because it provides an overview of everything you're offering, making it easier to manage and update as needed. Now choose a product you want to edit by clicking on it. This will open another pop-up where you can make changes. In this section, you'll have the opportunity to tweak various details of the product, such as its name, price, category, and description. These elements are crucial in making your product stand out and ensure potential customers get a clear idea of what you're offering. If you feel that the basic details aren't quite enough and you'd like to add more comprehensive information, there's an option to visit the Merchant Center. There you can delve into further specifics, which can be especially useful if you're managing a wide-ranging inventory. However, if your focus is on altering just the basic details, you can comfortably do so right from this screen. Once you've made all the necessary edits, the next step is to save your changes by clicking on the Publish button. Keep in mind that publishing your updates doesn't instantly make them live for everyone to see. After you hit publish, the changes will be under review, a standard process to ensure everything meets Google's guidelines. While your updates are being reviewed, you'll notice a pending message appearing above your product image. This is entirely normal and just means you need a bit of patience as Google processes the changes. Once the review is complete, your updated product details will go live, ready to inform and attract your customers. With this step-by-step guide, editing products on your Google business profile should now be a breeze. Regularly updating your profile not only enhances your online presence, but also helps maintain customer trust and satisfaction by providing them with the latest and most accurate information.